Female reggae vintage singer body found in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in St. Anne say they are awaiting forensic information to determine the cause of death of a woman said to be a female vintage reggae singer whose body was found in Great Pond Orchards in the parish on Monday. The deceased has been identified as Dorothy Russell alias Dar of Great Pond. She was said to be in her 70s. Reports are that sometime between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. residents stumbled upon the body on the premises near a shop and alerted the police. Head of the St. Anne Police, Superintendent Dwight Powell, told reporters that the police cannot say whether Russell's death is a case of murder. "I can confirm that we have a death investigation happening right now into the incident," he said, adding that an individual is being questioned relative to the probe. Powell said that the police have not yet established the cause of death and are awaiting for forensic and post-mortem examination before a determination can be made. Dorothy recorded reggae songs such as "You're the One I Love" and "Sincerely," a duet with Ken Parker in the early 70s on the De3d record label. Efforts to get further information about Russell's recording career were unsuccessful. Links 007 TV will provide a more comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.